wrote you a song.
Really?
A song about an apology. It goes a little something like this. I'm sorry for the times my fingers hit your face.
I'm clumsy and I'm wrong. I never get it right. Please forgive me, friend. Don't walk into the night. I keep messing up. Fingers in your way. Sorry for the pain. Please don't go away. I feel like such a fool, swatting at the air. I wish I could take back moments that aren't fair. Heartfelt apology. I'm down on my knees. I'll try changing now. Make apologies.
I will.
I keep messing up. Fingers in your way. Sorry for the pain. Please don't go away. I feel like such a fool, swatting at the air. I wish I could say
them.
that.
Oh, God!
Moments that aren't fair. Heartfelt apology. I'm down on my knees. I'll try changing now. Make the broken cease. I keep messing up. Fingers in your way. Sorry for the pain. Please don't go away.
Oh, God! Brandon! Yes! How does it feel? Oh, sweet, sweet revenge. I don't...
I wrote you a song.
Really?
A song about an apology. It goes a little something like this. I'm sorry for the times my fingers hit your face. I didn't mean to hurt you. Can't seem to find my place.
I'm clumsy and I'm wrong. I never get it right. Please forgive me, friend. Don't walk into the night. I keep messing up.